I'm Ginevra, I'm Italian, and I came here to improve my English and to learn some new vocabulary, some new grammar. And I stayed to my host family, and this is the daughter, Paula. I want to come here next year in the same family because I found this family very wonderful, and they were very nice with me. And in the same moment I learned English, I taught Italian to my new sister.
Okay, and what was the best experience you had?
The best experience was when we went to Paultons Park.
Yeah.
It was very...
What's Paultons Park?
It's a park with a lot of games and for a teenager and...
An amusement park?
Yes.
Okay, and what did you enjoy about having Ginevra stay with you, Fallon?
She's really funny.
Yeah?
And
did you learn anything new?
yeah, I learned how to say my name and how old I am in Italian.
Okay, and would you like to go to Italy at all?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, and would you like to come back next year?
Yes.
To stay with the same host family?
Yes.
Okay, thank you girls.